How to find new musics on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Quick Guide. Today in this tutorial video, I am going to show you guys how you can find new musics on Spotify. So let's get started. Firstly, after opening your Spotify application, tap on the search icon as shown by the arrow. And once you appear on this screen, scroll down until you see the option of discovery. Now click on it and again you will be appeared on this homepage where you can find playlist that is made for you. If you click on release radar option, then this playlist will show you all the new releases from artists you follow or listen to. This playlist is updated every Friday, so make sure to check it regularly. If you go to discover weekly personalized playlist, then you will be suggested new songs and artists based on your listening habit. This playlist also updates every Monday, so make sure to check it regularly. So that's all on how you can find new musics on Spotify. I hope this tutorial helped you. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe to my channel. We'll see you on next video. Till then, stay tuned. Bye bye.